Hello, and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. I think we can all agree, if we're being honest, meditation can be a little boring. I teach it, I meditate every day, and sometimes I get a little bored. And I'm just feeling like spicing it up, doing something a little different. And I also feel like we all have trouble taking that time for ourselves. We hear self-care, we see it on everything. It's like a marketing thing nowadays. Self-care, self-care, self-care. Let's actually take 10 minutes today to do a little self-care together. I am going to step off camera. I'm going to put on a face mask, not a cute face mask. I'm not trying to put on the perfect clay mask. Pull my hair out of my face, get my favorite beverage, my favorite comfiest clothes, my weighted blanket, and we are going to do a 10-minute self-care cozy meditation today. So like I said, all you need, face mask. Doesn't have to be perfect. Put on what you got. If you need to give yourself a little face massage during, totally feel open to that too. Grab your favorite beverage and your favorite cup. If you have to go wash that cup, pause this. Get your favorite cup. It's very important. Favorite beverage, what you've got on hand, it works. Even if water is your favorite, grab it. Favorite comfy sweater. We all have our favorite comfy sweater. I want you to go grab that right now. It could be a robe, it could be a hoodie, it doesn't matter. Grab your favorite, most comfiest item of clothing you own. Grab your weighted blanket, fuzzy blanket, comfy blanket. Don't forget the socks and meet me back here. We are going to do a 10-minute self-care meditation today. Welcome back. All right, I've got my weighted blanket, I've got a phytocorrective mask on, I've got the world's comfiest sweater on with the snack pocket, okay? Her Universe coming at you with the best, comfiest clothes ever. Got my Haunted Mansion mug from my snack pocket and my favorite drink of all time, my Spindrift. So it could be tea, it could be maybe alcoholic beverage, if that's what your favorite is. Whatever it is for you, okay? We're gonna get our little drink going on here. I told you, meditation can be boring. We're spicing it up today. We're not doing normal meditation today, okay? We're taking 10 minutes for ourselves. And we're just gonna live our best life, okay? So go ahead and get cozy, cuddle up with your favorite beverage, because we're gonna use this during the meditation today. We're gonna get started. So as always, find yourself a comfortable position. You can be laying down. I guess if you're gonna drink, you probably don't wanna be laying down, but laying down, sitting up, it doesn't matter. We're here for 10 minutes for ourselves today. So when it feels right to do so, you can hold your cup, you can close your eyes. As always, if that is not available to you, that is a-okay. Just take a look at the floor, anything around you, lower your gaze, something that's not going to distract you, and we'll get started. So as always, we're going to start by taking just a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just feel all that tension leaving the body. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now that we are sitting here in this 10 minutes just for us, we've got our either warm or cold drink in our hands. We've got our most comfiest articles of clothing on. And we are just gonna take it in. Just think about what that glass feels like sitting in your hands. Is it warm? Is it cold? I can hear the little bubbles from my delicious Spindrift. And just know that you are taking this time just for you. We're letting go of whatever came before this, whatever may be coming after this. We are here now in our bodies for 10 minutes. Go ahead and take a sip of your favorite beverage. And know that you poured that for you and only you. Getting our favorite beverage is just like filling our cup. You know, we always hear that. You can't fill others' cups when yours is not full. So this 10 minutes, we're just gonna picture filling ourselves up. We've got our face mask on, we've got our favorite drink, our comfiest clothes, no one's bothering us. This is just for you. We're gonna start to feel a little heavier in our seat, feeling a little bit more secure. Rolling those shoulders down, back, away from the ears. Giving our head a little roll to one side. And a roll to the other side. Relaxing our jaw. Unsticking our tongue from the roof of our mouth. Relaxing all those micro movements around the eyes. And releasing any tension in the forehead. Again, we're going to take a sip of our favorite drink, just filling our cup up. And again, knowing we poured that just for us. And as we sit here, focusing on ourselves, we're going to do a quick body scan, working our way top to bottom, and just seeing how we're doing. Are you feeling a little tired, a little burned out? Are you feeling just real warm and cozy right now? What is going on with you today? And as we think about those things and we're working through our quick body scan, we're again gonna feel our cup. You can either feel if it's warm, if it's cold. We know that it's our favorite cup. For some reason, just drinking out of your favorite cup brings a smile to your face. And in this 10 minutes, we can smile about something as small as our favorite drink and our favorite cup. Because we all know that life gets hard, but we know that we have to find joy in the little things. So right now, I'm going to find joy out of sitting here, focusing on myself with all of my comfiest things, my favorite cup, and enjoy the small things. And again, we're going to take a drink of our favorite drink, filling our cups up. Knowing that we deserve this time for ourselves. That we're told to do more self-care. We're told to lower our stress. But it can be so hard to do that. But you are here and you are doing it. Again, we're going to take a drink of our favorite drink. We're going to begin to deepen our breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose. And out through the mouth. One last time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. And when it feels right to do so, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for our 10-minute comfy self-care meditation. Like I said, meditation gets boring. We gotta mix it up sometimes. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, keep a lookout. We're gonna do some other self-care meditations in the future. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.